Good morning, students. See, today in commerce, we are going to the next chapter. So, again, it is also the continuation of the elements of marketing, but here we are going to learn in the different, that means the introduction part, evolution of marketing, marketing concepts, definition of marketing, objectives of marketing, importance of marketing, functions of marketing, meaning and definition of marketing mix, elements of marketing mix and marketing mix matrix. So these are the content in this chapter. So slowly we started the elements of marketing unit. In that 13th chapter, the introduction part about the marketing are over. Now we are going to the introduction part. So what do you mean by marketing? Marketing is nothing but the business function which is include almost all the activities. So, what are the activities? So, market means we know very well it is a place where the buyers and the sellers were meet together. So, that is called as market. Now, marketing means it is a common factor which forces the consumer to buy the product, as well as it performs the activities of the consumers. So, that is called as marketing. Okay, students. Now, slowly in depth we are going. So, first one is marketing concept. See, meaning you understood what is marketing and all. Marketing concept means what? Suppose, for example, so nowadays in this pandemic situation, so daily we are buying vegetables from our street side itself. That means to our nearby street side itself, vegetable vendor comes means. So before arranging the vegetables, he'll be thinking that to attract the colorful vegetables and are placed in an order. So why he is thinking? So then only the customers will see the particular vegetable and then buy. So these are called as what can I sell? Are you understood? The next one. Can I create the product? See, creativity is common. So, arranging according to the colorful variety of vegetable is also one among the creativity of the vegetable vendor. Then, so you have to love your customers. So then only what and all customer needs, we can provide them, we can deliver them, or we can distribute them, because consumers are the real kings. If we are not satisfying one customer, that message will be passed to the neighbors and all, then we have to face a huge loss only. If we are not getting any response from a particular street means it's a loss for our side only. So think and then proceed. Okay, students? So these are the little bit concept we have to follow. So in case of a vegetable vendor itself, these are the concept means think about the very big companies and all. What and all they will plan, what and all they will design, what and all they will think, formulate how to attract the customer. So that is what a huge amount has been spent for advertising. Somehow we have to reach to the customers about our products. So that is what marketing concept plays an important role. Now next we are going evolution of marketing. So evolution of marketing are classified into 6: barter system, production orientation, sales orientation, marketing orientation, consumer orientation, and management orientation. See, barter system you already learnt in the 11th standard itself, exchange of goods into goods instead of money. Then production orientation means what? The mass production, once if the production is over, so always the manufacturer will be thinking about, or he'll be getting the information from the wholesalers only. These are the products are liked by the consumers. So that is called as production orientation. The next is sales orientation. So almost all the company plays an important target in the sales, which is otherwise called as the turnover. So what and all goods has been produced that should be moved forward to the market. To the consumer place, it should be delivered. The next is marketing orientation. What are the different methods has been taken? So as I told you, the different concept was there, no? So that and all to be applicable and to boost our customers. Then consumer orientation. So consumer orientation means consumers are the real kings. So they only will decide our business. So we have to satisfy our own customers. So based on whatever the taste and the preferences like, expectations. Then management orientation. Management orientation in the sense what are the policies has been framed by the company starting from the production till the end of distribution. So these are called as evolution of marketing. Now slowly we are going to definition of marketing according to AMA, American Marketing Association. So which is concerned with the activities involved in the flow of goods and services from the producer to the ultimate consumer. Okay, well, students. So this is about American Marketing Association. Now next we are going. What are the objectives of marketing? Objectives means aim. So what are the main aims? Intelligent and capable of the policies, what and all they are framed. Develop the marketing field, guiding the policies. Then what are the problems faced to find out the solution, to find out other information related with the market problem. Then to continue with our existing with our marketing function, to take appropriate actions in the course of action. The next we are going, what are the importance of marketing according to the society? So it can be divided into society and to the individual firm. So society means, so link between the producer and the manufacturer. That means with the consumer, passing the information, increasing the level of the standard of living of the people. Automatically our national income will increases the employment opportunities, remove imbalance problems faced, and it includes almost all the activities. So what are the utilities starting from formation, place, time and possession, reduce in the cost of marketing, and it also adds the changing the ownership and changing the time and the place of consumption. So these are all according to the society. Now slowly we are going to the individual. So it generates, it creates revenue to the firm. Revenue means income. It formulates from the top level to the bottom level management, including production till distribution. It creates innovation things in the business. It facilitates and development of business, create employment opportunities for the people. So again, I revise what and all I concluded here. So we started with the chapter 14, marketing meaning, marketing concepts, evolution of marketing, definition of marketing, objectives of marketing, then importance of marketing. Okay, students? The remaining thing I will continue in the next video, next class. Thank you and good day.